welcome back to my channel. Today we are flipping a hoodie. Now, I had bought this hoodie at a local thrift shop and loved the front. I think it's quite funny, quite tongue-in-cheek, you know, it's the gym hoodie, right? We all have that one favorite shirt we like to wear, however this one turned out to be just too long. But the details and the little patches I didn't want to completely remove because they gave the piece so much character. So I ended up deciding to totally change the bottom hem of this hoodie. Still trying to keep the pocket intact. There was enough width with this pocket that I was actually able to shorten the lower hem and make an entirely separate seam to close this pocket, despite the fact that I was going to cut into this and ideally totally change the thing to match my actual measurements. So my real issue was that this particular hoodie was just too long. Every other measurement on this piece really matched me perfectly. It was comfortable, I could stretch, I could carry a backpack, but it was too long based on how tall I am, so I just decided, you know, why not cut it up and cheers to everybody's DIY tripods. You know, we all have them in our homes, whatever we have, whether it's a book pile or a pillow pile. Anyway. So here I've taken and actually completely removed the bottom hem. I found it was better just to make a sharp cut. And then the pocket, however, for the front hoodie pocket was still open at the bottom, so I realized I'm going to have to close this as well as make that separate seam. Also being mindful that I still want to be able to put my hands and my phone in the hoodie pocket. Now, some people call it a jumper hoodie pocket. I think it doesn't matter because both are great terminology. However, I do need to make sure it still functions. So I made sure to close the actual bottom of this pocket first and close the sides of the pocket as well before actually going and zigzagging all the way around the cross of the bottom of this hoodie. I wanted to make sure that, you know, it wasn't just a straight stitch that was going to ultimately tear at some point. I needed to make sure that I closed the gap, caught up all the stretch fabric, but still had a seam that was somewhat similar to the details of the rest of the hoodie. When I had actually chosen this particular garment, I wanted to make sure that it was something I could have that was somewhat durable, somewhat rugged, and could just go with me to every single gym outing that I might have, but it was also important that it matched my other gym outfits and the color palette that I was choosing for most of my other gym items. And there you have it, a very basic gym outfit flip. Really quick flip if you're out there shopping today for thrifting, because it's Saturday, who doesn't do that? Make sure you're choosing items that you can change if necessary, just once you get them home and decide that, you know what, the fit could just use a little tweaking. Because if you're anything like me, the functionality of your cute gym attire actually matters, because when you're at the gym, I need it to still work. I still need my pockets. Another really quick flip for clothing thrifted on a Saturday.